Initially, it was just to be a daily driver, and then didn't like the stock wheels, so changed those out, and it just kind of started snowballing from there. My name is Kevin Herzer, and this is my 2019 Civic Type R. A long time ago, I used to build cars. Then I started setting up my family and kind of drifted away. And my kids are now grown, so I've gotten back into the scene and started progressively building the car. First, I did the rims and the wheels. From there, I went into the performance in the engine. Did the full bolt-on, turbo upgrade, fuel system upgrade. It's pushing about 550 horses right now. From there, I went into stance and suspension. So I'm on S3 coilovers with air cups in the front. And then I went into the brakes and went with R1 Concepts, the big brake kit front and back. This car handles phenomenal. Like, it'll take corners fast. The only thing is that the climb, and other cars in the way. Otherwise, this thing would pull all the way up the mountain. When the hood is open, the valve cover into the brakes with the gold and the teal kind of just, to me, flows with it. I wanted to have a contrast that would stand out still. We didn't need any spacers. We didn't need any kind of shims. It fit and had clearance. I haven't had any kind of issues whatsoever. They stop on a dime. They look great. I've gotten a ton of compliments on the color with the wheel combo, and it's definitely something that I have absolutely no regrets with whatsoever.